about oranges and vitamin C all the time, but never peppers. Bell pepper have many different names. In the US, India, Canada, and Malaysia, they're called bell peppers. In Australia and New Zealand they're called capsicum. The British simply call them pepper, while the Japanese call them paprika. When Columbus brought dried peppers back to Europe, Europeans were only familiar with the pepper spice, not veggie. When they tasted the dried peppers from the New World, they found them even hotter than the black pepper they knew. For them, if something was hot, it was peppery, and so they named the new arrival pepper as well. However, pepper and peppers are totally unrelated. Bell peppers can be eaten at any stage of development. However, the vitamin C and carotenoid content, so all the healthy things about peppers, of bell peppers increases with ripeness. Red, yellow, orange bell peppers are simply green bell peppers that have been left on the vine to continue to ripen. Red bell peppers are sweeter than green ones because bell peppers sweeten as they ripen. Traditional Chinese medicine used bell peppers as treatment for some medical conditions like poor blood circulation, indigestion, loss of appetite, swelling, frostbite, and digestive issues. Bell peppers are not grown seasonally, so they can be enjoyed year-round. So there you have it. 10 fun facts about bell peppers. Had you heard any of those fun facts before? Do you have any of your own to add? Is there a particular produce item you want to know more about? I take requests.